back. Becky Thames here, and we are live for day number 2 of your 20 Days to Year 2020 Ecom Vision series. So each day from now until January the 1st, when the ball drops, I'm going to share with you some golden nuggets of e-commerce so that you will be ready to Ecom Seller Propeller into the new year, into the new decade, 2020. So today what we're going to talk about is retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage is when you buy low and you resell the items for a profit on Amazon or any platform for that matter. This is where you go sourcing to your local discount stores like your Walmart, your Targets, your grocery stores, and then you can sell them for higher on Amazon, especially if you're a savvy shopper. So there are some pros and cons to retail arbitrage, and I wanted to share both of them with you. So with the pros for retail arbitrage, there are already established brands that you know, you like, you trust. They're available right now on the stores at your local, wherever you shop locally. And you know that the consumers that come to Amazon, they're already typing in that brand name, so you don't have to worry about promoting that product itself because the brand name sells and it promotes that item. You have control of your profit in this scenario because it involves finding and purchasing the best bargains possible to ensure that you have full control over your profit margins. And remember, the lower you buy, then the more profit that you can make. Also with retail arbitrage, there are low startup costs. If you remember in my video yesterday, I showed you the dartboard and it's the outer ring, because there are more retail arbitrage sellers starting out on Amazon, because hands down it is the best way to dip your toe into the Amazon river, if you will. And that Amazon river is massive, massive, massive. But there are low startup costs that can help you. You also can do fast product turnover. Depending on the items that you find, hopefully you find some that you can churn and burn and just make a higher profit, some that will sit for a longer time but that you make even higher margins on, but it has to be what you are comfortable with selling on Amazon and your risk tolerance. You know, some people are like, oh my gosh, I spent $5. I got to get that $5 plus $2 back like tomorrow. And some people are like, hey, I'll spend $100 and wait and make $250 in 3 months. So it depends on your risk tolerance there. Now, some cons of retail arbitrage. You have to have patience. Did you hear me? Patience, my friends, because if, you know, haste makes waste. I have talked to thousands of people and helped thousands of people sell on Amazon, and they just go in the store and they say, all right, this looks like it might sell. No, you have to have patience. You have to make data-driven decisions, and that's when you determine if something sells on Amazon, not by your feelings. You know, I'm a feeling person, but I will never go into a store and say, oh, I think this will look good on Amazon, because that's not how you do it. So you have to have time, you have to have patience. You need to look for those bargains so that you can make a higher profit. And it takes time. It does take time, and you're gonna, you know, repetition is the mother of all skill. So you need to repeat it and repeat it and repeat it and repeat it without getting discouraged. Number 2 con is there is some stiff competition on Amazon. You know, thousands of people every day start on Amazon, but thousands of people every day quit on Amazon. So don't be a quitter. Go into selling on Amazon like you know what you know, what you know. And if you follow me on this channel, listening to the 20 Days to Your 2020 E-Commerce Vision, I will share with you the tips and the tricks and the strategies that you will need to know to propel yourself to the highest of highs on Amazon. So join me tomorrow for day number 3 of the 20 Days to Your E-Commerce Vision in 2020 in the new decade. And today we talked about retail arbitrage, and tomorrow, retail arbitrage where you buy low and sell high, and tomorrow we are going to discuss wholesale. See you tomorrow. Remember to sell more so that you can give more. Cha-ching.